Hey, you got your friendly Mr. Clean roofing advisor here in Lewis, Indiana. We're going to go over a few things that this roof has that we're going to get cleaned up for them. I'm going to show you some skylights that we're going to remove and replace with just some decking, and show you some of the box vents they have up there that it gives us ventilation. We're going to get rid of those also, and we're going to go over a few other problems that this roof has, get this all cleaned up, get them replaced with a brand new roof, and get them really taken care of. As you can see on top of this roof, it has a couple, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those bubble skylights on there. We're going to get those removed for her. They have a lot of leaks inside the house, as you can tell right over here on this one, if you can see it very well, how that roof is all bubbled up and has a lot of waves in it. Usually means that that decking is bad on the bottom of that. So we're going to get that taken care of, replaced, and get that cleaned up for her. All those box vents around the top of the ridge there, we're going to remove those, put a ridge vent in for her, and get rid of all those leaks for her. Here on the front of the house, you can see we're missing some shingles up at the front, which is causing some leaks. And so getting those replaced, along with a 6-inch seamless guttering system. As you can see on this one right here, how it's pitched off at the bottom, it's just going straight to the foundation. So we're going to run that away from the foundation, save that foundation for them. We're going to get her all cleaned up and ready to roll. Hey, thanks for watching my video with your Mr. Clean roofing advisor. If you have any questions, give me a call at the number below, or you can see it's right there on my car also. This is the car I'll be pulling up in, so you know it's me. Give me a call, and we'll get you taken care of and all cleaned up. Looking forward to hearing from you. See y'all.